Hello, this is a tutorial to help you get through the Plate Tectonics virtual lab today. Here's what you need to know. You're going to be visiting this website, which is live, and it shows earthquake data, recent earthquake data. And what I'd like for you to do is click on this last 30 days earthquakes button, because you need to just look at the most recent information. So click on that, and you'll see a list of 701 earthquakes that are 4.0 or greater magnitude. That's a huge number, but we're just going to focus on the biggest ones of those. So if you click on this magnitude header a couple times, it'll sort them by size, and we're going to just plot the ones that are 6.0 or higher. Here's how you're going to do that. You need to find out where this is located, and then see if you can identify the plates, the tectonic plates that it's on, and then what type of boundary it is, what type of tectonic plate boundary it is. And here's how you can do that. Click on the location information here, and it'll pull up a beautiful map. And you can zoom out of the beautiful map a little bit to see where in the world this is located. So it looks like this spot, the South Sandwich Islands, is kind of, this is South America, and here's Antarctica looking huge. So the South Sandwich Islands are right there. To find out what plate boundary that is, you can click on this other thing that I've included in your instructions, and that looks like probably that's around the Scotia plate. So you can double check that here. It's kind of between South America and Africa and Antarctica. And about there, let me see. Here's where we are. Yeah, about there, I'd say. So that that earthquake happened on the Scotia plate, and the type of plate boundary is, you can use this legend down here on the bottom. Divergent boundaries are this color, transform boundaries are this color, convergent boundaries are this color. So it's probably happening on a transform boundary on the Scotia plate, or where the Scotia plate and the Antarctic plate meet. So that's what information you're going to type into this. You want to put the name of the plate, so Scotia and Antarctic plates, and the type of boundary is a transform boundary. You'll also fill in the magnitude using this information. Whoops, you have to back up, I guess, to get it. So sort it by magnitude again, a 6.5, and you'll put in this latitude and longitude and the location. So it's the South Sandwich Islands region will be the location. And then you'll include the latitude, longitude, and the magnitude of the earthquake, 6.5 for that one. So if you have questions, you can just check with the substitute. I believe that he'll have a key, and go be awesome.